welcome in this video. In this video I will show you the free airdrop that can generate money for you. Okay, so I will easy for that task to you, so just feel free to join in this offer. So entire video is dedicated by I'm showing you entire video is dedicated by in this offer, so feel free to join here. Okay, just click on that link and read and understand this rules. Okay, connect with MetaMask, connect with Twitter and Robcast, join the football ID whitelist. And here is, I don't recommend to join a Robcast here because this task is not viable for us, because it is slightly not working, like they are in bug fixing. If you do want to join, you can join anyway. Okay, but there is a lot of people, they will not join uh, you know uh, right away in that broadcast task. So I'm going to go through this link, click on that link, and that link will bring you inside of here. So here is what you need to do. I already showed you my previous video that here is would be written by sign in, and just click on that sign in and you click on browse extension, and whatever extension they will choose that you added on your extension page. Okay, so after doing that, what you need to do, you will get 300 point for just doing connect your MetaMask, whatever browsers, whatever wallet into this website. Okay, so here is I will show you activities. Just you know stay in activities mode, and scroll here, do connect your Twitter here, follow them, and do verify. After daily check-in, let's go here, click on, and for daily check-in you will get 5 balls, and for do follow you will get 300 balls, and like our Twitter announcements, therefore you will get 300 balls. Okay, here is balls their points. Okay, there. So, and if you don't get this task done, just avoid this task, no problem. Okay, so after doing that, if you don't hover over this task, I'm saying skip this task. So after that, join the football ID whitelist, click on there, and it will be joined. And each of this task, while it would be done, while you will see this mark. Okay, and while you will see this mark, you will assure it will be indeed that task has been done. Okay, and to task, I will say you that it's not mandatory to do to me. So this on and this on. If you feel free to, if you want to join, you can join, but if you don't get any comfortable to join in this specific task, feel free to avoid this task. Okay, this is the work and nothing complicated, straightforward. If I showed you uh, if I show you in deep time into this video could be a long. Okay, so anyhow, if you freak out, if you get you know if you get uncomfortable with any task, feel free to reach out me inside of the Telegram. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until that.